April Jeanette Mendez, born March 19, 1987, is an American professional wrestler and author. As a wrestler, she has been signed to WWE since September 2025, where she performs on the Raw brand under the ring name AJ Lee. Mendez began her professional wrestling career in 2007 in New Jersey's independent circuit. She signed with WWE in 2009 and spent 2 years in its developmental branch, Florida Championship Wrestling, before her promotion to the main roster. In 2012, she rose to prominence through storylines with her mentally unstable character, such as high-profile relationships and a 3-month stint as the general manager of Raw. In subsequent years, she won the Divas Championship, a record tying 3 times, and held the title for an overall record of 406 days. She also won the Slammy Award for Diva of the Year in 2012 and 2014, and readers of Pro Wrestling Illustrated voted her Woman of the Year from 2012 to 2014. She initially retired from in-ring performing in April 2015, but returned to WWE over a decade later in September 2025, after which she won the Women's Intercontinental Championship once. Outside of wrestling, Mendez has focused on writing. Her 2017 memoir, Crazy Is My Superpower, was a New York Times bestseller. She formed a writing partnership with actress Amy Garcia in 2019, and the duo have written multiple comic books, as well as the 2022 Netflix film Blade of the 47 Ronin. April Jeanette Mendez was born on March 19, 1987, in Union City, New Jersey. Her mother, Janet Acevedo, was a homemaker and later a home health aide, while her father, Robert Mendez, was an automotive engineer. She is the youngest of 3 children and is of Puerto Rican descent. In describing her childhood, Mendez said her family struggled with poverty, mental illness, and drug addiction. They frequently moved between apartments, sometimes living in motels or their car when they could not afford rent. Her brother's interest in World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE, influenced her to become a professional wrestler. With inspiration from WWE's female wrestlers, especially Lita, she cemented her ambition at 12 years old. In 2005, she graduated from Memorial High School in West New York, New Jersey. She attended New York University's Tisch School of the Arts, where she majored in film and television production, until family and financial issues led to her dropping out 6 months into her studies. Afterward, she started working full-time to afford wrestling training. As an homage to her brother, who was in the U.S. Army, she occasionally wore camouflage wrestling attire. 12. Mendez was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, a condition her mother also suffered from. Around the age of 20, she had previously experienced adverse effects from a misdiagnosis of depression and overdosed on antidepressants and painkillers. This event, which she considers a suicide attempt, caused her to seek proper treatment and the right diagnosis. She credits the condition for giving her the bravery to achieve her goals. In a 2021 interview, Mendez said she had healed from the injuries sustained during her career and that she could technically return to the ring. 2 years later, in November 2023, her husband, CM Punk, returned to WWE after a nearly 10-year hiatus, amplifying speculation that she would also return. By September 2025, as part of his storyline with Seth Rollins, Punk began feuding with Rollins' wife, Becky Lynch, who attacked him on multiple occasions. Unwilling to strike a woman, Punk sought a partner to even the odds. On the September 5th episode of SmackDown, Mendez, again under the ring name AJ Lee, returned to WWE after a decade of absence and attacked Lynch. AJ's first return match took place at WrestlePalooza on September 20th, where she and Punk defeated Lynch and Rollins in a mixed tag team match after she forced Lynch to submit. AJ then participated in a 5-on-5 War Games match at Survivor Series, War Games on November 29th, again forcing Lynch to submit to secure the win for her team. AJ went on to defeat Lynch at Elimination Chamber on February 28, 2026, to win the Women's Intercontinental Championship. She successfully defended the championship against Bayley on the March 16th episode of Raw, but was defeated by Lynch at WrestleMania 42, Night 1 on April 18th, ending her reign at 49 days. Personal life, Mendez regards herself as a tomboy and has an interest in comic books, anime, and video games. She has the numerical date of her first WWE Divas Championship win tattooed in tally marks on the back of her neck. Mendez began dating fellow WWE wrestler Phillip Brooks, better known as CM Punk, in August 2013, and they married on June 13, 2014. They reside in Los Angeles, California, and Chicago, Illinois. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.